Hello friends! In today's video we will go over 5 cool knives you can buy on Amazon. King. No need to run to your toolbox for every little thing. No need to pack massive tools on your road, whether you are backpacking around the world or spending a day at the house. King can be the optimal solution for most of your tasks. Its materials are chosen for maximum function. The Phantom Titanium Folding Utility Knife. It has a quick release blade, is small and convenient, weighing only 75 grams, has maximum functionality and is sleek in design. Phantom should always be in your pocket so you can react fast to almost any cutting operation. Phantom is simply an essential part of being ready in scenarios involving everyday carry. Dagger. Dagger is designed with a tightly threaded protective cap to shield the blade when it's not in use. Depending on your preferred mode of carrying, it can be quickly linked to your keyring, carabiner, or shock cord while it's closed. It can be unscrewed from its cap and used alone when necessary for optimum flexibility, or it can be screwed back into the cap to add a longer, more substantial grip area. Bara Unboxing Knife. When a package comes, we're all thrilled. When they do, we frequently find ourselves searching for anything pointy or reaching for our keys. Wouldn't it be nice to have a special gadget to aid in opening and enhancing the experience as numerous parcels arrive each week? EDCist EDC Knife. After all, a pocket knife might be as little as a keychain. EDCist is the world's first and only EDC knife designed particularly to be worn on a watch strap. Like you, unlike everyone else.